What's up, peeps? I have my dog here. It's Lace, the funny fuffly flub flub. Anyway, I have my dog Tulip. Let me show you her. Come here, Tulip. Yes, that's her back. Come here. Come here. This is the doggy. See, look, don't we look alike? Say hi, Tulip. Yep. I love you too. No. Okay. Okay. Check it out. I know she's. Can you not move the chair, please? She's very weird. Say hi, Tulip. Say hi. I call this her jiggle dance. That's her eye. Okay. Alright, let me. She's okay. See, look, my hands are here. She's. Alright, peeps. See you later. This is Tulip again. Hey, Sarah. Okay. Tulip. Okay, she's good.